This is the Sanus Viewpoint Swivel TV Base, which fits TVs 32 to 60 inches and holds up to 60 pounds. This TV base offers many benefits as a replacement over the basic stand that comes with flat panel TVs. Basic TV stands don't allow you to swivel your TV, leaving you with limited seating options. They are susceptible to tipping, and they don't fit well on many pieces of furniture. The Sanus Viewpoint Swivel TV Base fixes all of that. For all of those who want the benefits of mounting your TV but cannot drill or attach your TV to the wall, this solution gives you many of the same benefits. The first being, you can adjust your TV for the best view from any seat by swiveling it up to 70 degrees. And rest easy. This base was designed to provide a stable surface to secure your TV and is perfect for sitting on top of furniture with shallow depths. For a sleek look, you can adjust your TV height nearly 8 inches for perfect positioning. Enjoy the easy 3-step assembly. Simply attach the brackets to your TV, attach the pillar to the base, and hang your TV on the pillar. Sanus is the #1 brand of TV mount brands in the US. All Sanus Viewpoint mounts are safety tested, UL certified, and feature a 5-year warranty. And we back it up with our US-based expert customer care team, available 7 days a week. Questions? Give us a call.